finally finished the install. Alright, we have an EVBASE, all EVs and Tesla accessories. Check out their website, it's awesome, and I'll put a link down below if you're interested in this product. But a main concern of a lot of people is I want to display a front cluster for the Model Y or 3. So this doesn't block the vents, doesn't do anything like that, so we'll be able to retain that functionality of the AC vents, and you'll still have this very small but useful screen. So it's packaged in some really nice foam, and here it is. It is actually pretty tiny. It's called the mini display for a reason, so here we go. Check that out. So this is like 3 fingers tall, and you had the little wiring on the bottom that shows what it's compatible with, Atom or the Ryzen, and it shows you the resolution. So very cool. Set that aside. Get one of these little tools. It's a little hex screw, Allen keys, trim removal, which is going to be useful, and the harness, which is also very important. So I'm going to take it, separate them, or do I need to separate them at all? No, I don't need to. So it's actually a long cable that will plug in. Looks like you plug it in like this. And route to the back. So we have the Intel cable here, and then the AMD one is also included as well. So they include both harnesses in one. So there you go. So I'm gonna install it right now and tell you how it goes. All right, so we are on the outer side. We are going to remove this trim piece right here. What you could do also is pop the glove box. You want to pop this side piece right here. And I'm going to use this trim that it's included to get right behind it. So this pop goes out. I actually had to pry it from this top part, which is kind of stubborn. After that piece comes off, you want to do that to both sides. After you do both sides, you should be able to lift this bad boy up. All right, so we got those 2 trim pieces off, and then you have the top piece off where the vent goes. Now we can finish the wiring, but you want to also remove these pieces right here. This is where that trim piece again comes in handy. Try to pry. There you go. You'll see that there's a little button right here. This is where you need to hit next. Right there. So the clip is kinda, I wish I could get a better angle, but there you go. That's the clip you need to remove. I'm gonna keep it all kind of neatly packed right here. Then this piece can come out. Now you have to steering wheel again. There are some top little pieces you need to remove right here, and one right here. You can also, we're gonna pry right here too to pop it open. So hopefully you can get a good view of that. There you go. I'm just trying to be careful with it. So you remove this piece right here, and now you want to transfer these pieces over, this little cloth piece to the new piece. So you just kind of pinch these together, these little clips, and you'll be able to transfer it over. So just basically the same thing, but in reverse. Now unzip, and now you're ready to transfer it over, which is great. Alrighty, so here is the process. Anyways, I thought you had to remove this A-pillar, where the footwell is, so the A-pillar goes down to here, and you get access to some plug here, but for my harness, we don't need to use that. Apparently, all the magic happens over here on this side. So, the harness that I had right there, you guys can see the video. It contains the AMD Power A-pillar. This one right here. It contains the Intel stuff, which I'm not going to use. And it should have like a blue wire somewhere. There it is. So you'll see like a blue wire. And that also plugs into the passenger footwell, which is this area right here. So behind this, you will see a blue kind of thing. You can kind of catch it here. It's a little bit dark. Let me shine some light. You see that blue plug right there? Behind that big red plug. So you want to plug in that, and then you want to plug in the other things. So I'm going to do that real quick. Ooh, that red cable is so thick. So I have that plugged in there. Read it says AMD, and I believe that one's this one. So two plugs technically. And I'm going to show that again. Alright, so I put a little splitter in between these. So it's like a pass through for this plug right here. And then we plugged in that blue wire that was right behind that red. You can kind of get a glimpse of it right there. Alright, so the display is now working, and it's just a matter of, ooh, such a bright screen. It's just a matter of routing the wires and returning everything in reverse. So I'm going to do that and kind of maybe show you guys that in a fast way. Finally finished the install. Now I just want to do a quick video because I was going through all of the tutorials. Look at this. This display is so cute and small, but it's perfect because it's so minimal. It fits in right in. I just want to get you guys all the angles and check it out. If you were seeing right here, is it too small to read? No, it's not. Let me see if I can show you. It's sharp. I know my camera's not focusing in that particular area, but it is a really high resolution display for the screen size. So think pixel density. It looks cool. I'm surprised, and the viewing angles and colors are really nice. So wow, I'm kind of shocked. I'm kind of shocked. But yeah, just looking at it, everything fits in. To go through the settings, let me try to zoom in. You hold right, and you'll go through the setting menu. Let me see if I get this in focus for you guys. So you have temp, time zone, theme, tire pressure, CAN, mileage, English, format, and I just want to show you guys something called the UI. You can change the UI as well. And this says Plaid, and it says on right now. So don't know what that is, but I want to show you the UI. So right now, the UI looks like this with the tire pressure, main speedometer in the middle. It shows you like your follow distance, range, clock. But if you hold right, if you look at UI 2, and I'm just using the scroll wheel to navigate, and then I'm using left and right. So UI 2. So UI 2 looks like this. Awesome, honestly, too. It looks a little more simplified, but because it doesn't have the car and it's like more hidden, shows the battery, range, and odometer. Odometer is actually wrong because I actually have about 300 miles on this car, but just a different look. I kind of prefer the other one, so I'm gonna go for the other one because I'd like to see tire pressure especially in the winter time. You want, like, if you're at 40 or 38, you just want to make sure your tire pressures are clean. But wow, install was easy, looks amazing, and I just want to get some beauty shots of it. Overall, if you guys were looking to buy something like this, it's from EVBASE.com. The harness they provide for the AMD platform, Intel platform, super easy. I've seen some other ones where you have to install it down here. This one, you literally don't have to do it both sides. You just do on the right, and that's it. Saves you the hassle, making the install a little bit easier. And yeah, go evbase.com. I'll put a link down below. If you use John15, John 15, you save 15%, which is huge. And you can buy some more other products since you're saving more money, like screen protectors and accessories from that website. So yeah, just whew, I'm just shocked how clean and just people say like, hey, I wish it was more bezel-less, but honestly, it matches with the Honda, the Tesla's bezels right here. So it integrates real nice, and I just hope I can, with this camera I'm holding right now, can demonstrate how actually pretty awesome this is. Yeah, but thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'll see you guys later.